Vanakkam, Sasikumar talks. One of the key challenge that I face in my everyday work in my office while doing my digital marketing activities is this. I used to tell to my seniors or head of the department that I can do content writing, I can do Photoshop, I can do Illustrator, I can do video editing, I can do this and that apart from digital marketing activities. But what happens in the middle of the work process, they assign all the works that is not to the core of my work, that is getting leads or promoting the website. So I will be doing content writing for some time, I will be doing designing for some time, but all these activities, doing the activities other than the core digital marketing affects core work, affects my goal. That is the challenge, and also I feel sometimes it is a mistake to accept to do work other than my core work. Is this correct to do work other than the core work? I don't think so. Thank you very much. This is Sasikumar Talks.